In 1830, Rangemaster revolutionised the art of cooking when we developed the very first range cooker, the Kitchener, made on the very same site from which we still operate today. We're the oldest cooker manufacturer in the world, and with a unique product range, we are immensely proud of our long and rich heritage. We're recognised today as one of the world's leading cooker brands, featuring prominently in Which Best Buy range cooking products, and are recognised by the Energy Saving Trust. This heritage and track record demands that we give you the best training we can to help decide on the best cooker to suit individual needs. Multifunction ovens perform in a unique way. Where traditional ovens use elements at the top and bottom of the cavity to heat the oven, the multifunction cooker uses combinations of the fan and heating elements to create the right cooking environment. Our ovens allow the user to choose from a number of options as to how they cook their food, from defrosting to grilling to browning. This series of training videos will demonstrate the available functions. Rapid response. This heats the oven 30% quicker than the fan alone. Fanned, where the oven is the same temperature throughout. Fanned grill, a function for grilling food that takes away the need to turn the food. Fan assisted, where the oven is hotter at the top and cooler at the bottom. Conventional. On this setting, the oven is much hotter at the top and cooler at the bottom. Browning. This provides an intense heat to brown or toast food. Base heat. This is for slow, gentle cooking. And finally, defrost. The fan in the oven draws air away from the food to speed up the process of defrosting. Our customers are passionate about cooking, so finding the right oven is really important to them. Often multifunction cookers are ideal because of the different cooking environments they offer. Rangemaster is Britain's #1 range cooking brand. Our range cookers are hand-built from scratch in many styles and colours and offer guaranteed cooking performance. This series will ensure that you're equipped to help your customers find the best cooker for their needs. Unique to Rangemaster, the rapid response function heats up the oven 30% quicker than using the regular fanned function. Choose the rapid response function and set the desired temperature as normal. Rapid response is particularly suited to tasks such as reheating a dish or cooking a ready meal where speed is preferred. The fan and heating element is activated in the same way as you would expect for fanned cooking. And to get the oven up to temperature very quickly, the top and bottom heating elements are also used. This heat boost allows you to start cooking almost immediately, reducing the heat up time by 30%. The fanned oven function utilises a heating element and fan unit in the back of the oven, allowing the cavity to heat up quickly and evenly. Once the oven function and temperature has been set, the heating element and fan work together to distribute heat evenly throughout the oven, ensuring the same temperature is maintained at every level. As a result, it is especially suitable for cooking multiple items on all shelves, such as batch baking bread or cakes. The fanned grill function allows for closed-door grilling. It is ideal for cooking thicker pieces of meat or fish, achieving a browned finish, and removes the need to turn the food. Select the correct function and desired temperature. When using the fanned grill function, the top oven and browning elements are activated, and the fan works to distribute the heat from the grill evenly around the food. The fan ensures that your food will be evenly cooked without the need to turn it over, and it will be grilled to perfection. Fan-assisted function gives you the flexibility of zoned cooking and also provides a fast and intensive form of cooking. This means the oven is hotter towards the top, allowing food to brown or crisp as you cook. After selecting the fan-assisted function and desired temperature, the fan distributes heat from the top and bottom elements around the oven cavity and creates 3 distinct temperature zones. The top zone is the hottest part and ideal for starting something like pork belly. The middle would be great for Yorkshire puddings, and the bottom zone could then be used for puff pastry. The conventional function utilises both the top and bottom heating elements. As the fan is not used, natural conduction of heat means the oven is much hotter at the top than the bottom. Ensure the correct function and temperature are selected. The conventional function is perfect for roasting meat as it ensures even cooking and browning of the dish. Because it is hotter at the top than the bottom, the conventional function creates different heat zones within the oven. This gives you the flexibility to cook multiple dishes which benefit from different temperatures. Browning is a versatile function which can be used to finish many dishes to perfection. To finish your cooked food, simply choose the browning option. It can create a fantastic finish to a lasagna, for instance. The browning function works by heating the top element only, ensuring the focus of the heat is on the top of the dish. This is all achieved without having to open the oven door or having to use a separate grill. The result is that dishes such as lasagna, cauliflower cheese, or a tray of bruschetta are browned to perfection. The base heat function uses the bottom element of the oven only. By only using the bottom element, the oven creates a gentler heat than the other functions and is great for slow cooking. Set the correct function and the desired temperature. The base heat radiates through the pan at a slower rate, ideal for creating the perfect casserole. Ensure that the temperature is always adjusted to suit the dish you are cooking. By increasing the temperature, base heat is great for crisping pizza bases and pastry dishes. The defrost function allows you to defrost food quicker than traditional thawing. It's perfect for defrosting frozen fruit, cakes or small pieces of meat, and it is more hygienic than leaving food out on a work surface. Simply turn the function knob to the defrost icon. There is no heat from the oven's elements when using this function. The fan at the back of the oven draws the cold air from the frozen food, speeding up the natural thawing process by as much as 50%.